Yo, I did it. You will do it. Let's make this money together. Hello, welcome to another daily design video. My name is David Isamuji. I'm the owner and founder of What T Shirt Design. I design t-shirts with Canva and Photoshop. T-shirt designs that sell or match by Amazon, TeePublic, Teespring, and Redbubble. Yes, so without wasting much of your time, please, if you've not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If it's red on your side, make sure you turn it gray by hitting it. Hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out on daily videos. I'll be releasing videos daily. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to today's video. So I'm going to be using Canva. So I'll open my new tab. I'm using Chrome, as you can see. So I'll go to canva.com. to get this started. Please, if you've not been following me, make sure you start following me. I release daily quality videos of t-shirt designs that sell, simple t-shirt design that sells super well. Some of these t-shirt designs make 10 figures, but we're not going to hit that note, so I don't want to get your hopes extremely high. So what do you think about making cool 5,000 a month from a t-shirt, and you're having about 100 of that? Yes, that is where the 6 figures come in. So without wasting much of your time, let's go create this one. It's going to be a simple design, so we'll click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard by Match by Amazon. You can use it on any other print on demand site. Pixel, create new, open on a new tab. This is going to be a simple t-shirt for the coffee lovers. This, coffee lovers are super, which word should I use? They are much. We're talking about millions, if not billions, So guys, ladies who love coffee is extremely on that eye. So when they see a fancy, funny t-shirt, they will definitely buy. So with this one, let's go to text. I'll just find a fancy, funny text. So just find a fancy and funny text. You just scroll through. So let's see if we can use this. As you can see, it's quite small, so I'll increase this. I'll just move my mouse to this left mouse click button and drag outward. Just drag outward. So we'll ungroup this. As you can see, it's grouped, and I don't want this to the end, whatever it says there. So I'll ungroup, click outside, click on this and delete. I'll double tap on this, or you do your Control A to highlight this, and this one is going to say don't. So now we have that. We're going to click on our Alt key button and our left mouse click button and drag downwards to duplicate. So the next one is going to say don't sip my. So that's what we're gonna have there. So you see, we'll just take it a little bit. So just take it a little bit. So I'll reduce this a bit, make it in the middle. So yeah, see, it's in the middle. I'll come over to this, just make it in the middle. So the next one is going to say coffee. So I'll try and find another font for this. Let me find another font for this. So I'll just use this, increase it, left mouse click button, drag outward, ungroup, ungroup that, delete this and delete this, and this is what I'm left with. So I'm gonna make this bigger. So over my mouse to this edge, left click, drag outwards. So we'll have it like that. So this one will just highlight. That one's gonna be coffee. No, it's quite big. So here you go, we'll have it like that. So now I will make this a bit bigger. Make it a bit bigger. So now I have don't sip my coffee. Now to make the finishing touch to this design, I'll just go over to flat icons. Got flat icons, you can see. So wait for it to open, but always remember to give credit when you use this. Always remember to give credit when you use this. So what we're looking for here is coffee seeds. Coffee seeds, you can just scroll, just try and find coffee seeds. Just try and find coffee seeds. I saw what earlier, I'm sure you would have seen it, but let's use this. Let's use this. So I'll just download. As you can see, make sure you always give credit. When you click on the download now, it should tell you this is the owner, photo3idea_studio. So always make sure you give them credit in your videos. This is the designer of this coffee bean, which I'm going to be using. This is the designer, as you can see. So always give credit. So I'll download this. Now this coffee bean is downloaded. So now I'll go back to my Canva layer. All I'm going to do now is come to upload an image or video. I'll come to download, find my coffee bean. This is it. So I'll click on it and open. It's going to load here. Once it's done loading, you just click on it once to bring it into your design. So if I click on it once, brings it into my design. You can see it's quite big, so I'm going to reduce that. You can see reduce that. So now our design is ready. We'll just increase this a bit. Then bring this back here. You can see our design is ready. So the next step is for us to download this. Remember, it's going to download in white background because we don't have Canva Pro. So if you click on download, it does not give you the option to download in white background. So you can see it has a code which shows it's a premium feature. So to get this, you need Canva Pro. So if you want Canva Pro, let me know in the comment and I will send you the link. You get 1 month free on me, 30 days free on me. Super easy to use, and you can use that. So our download is preparing now. As you can see, it says done. So show folder. I like to do this after each of my design, just to make sure it downloaded. As you can see, it downloaded. So now we can move on to the next step. So for those of you who have Photoshop, the next step is for you. So you just click on this, open in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can still watch this process. Don't click off, so you can download Photoshop later and try it. Click on open with Photoshop. This process will help you remove the white background of it. If you don't have money to pay for Canva Pro, I'd really advise you pay for Canva Pro. It's super easy, super cheap. I would say it's not something complicated or something too expensive. So now to remove this background, this white background, all I have to do is click on this folded paper. It creates a new layer. As you can see, I'll click on layer 0. I'll come to my magic word 2. That's this 2 here. It says magic word 2. Click on it. Click on this white background to highlight all the white background. Then I'll just delete that. As you can see, I've deleted that. But if you notice, I still have some piece of white, so I'll just have to go through them, and that is where the also comes in. If you don't have time for this, just get Canva Pro for just 12, but that's after you get the 1 month free on me. So just ask me for the link in the description. Just ask me for the link. Write a comment asking for the pro link for Canva, and I'll send that to you definitely. But if you can go through this stress, fine. You just go through this stress and remove all the white, so you don't have the white when you upload it to your shirts, especially if you're uploading for different colors, shirts, mug, and the rest. So just do this and we'll do that again. So now we can see we have done that for every part of it. So we just click on save now. Please, you can see it now. All we have to do is just to save it. So just save it. We'll save as picture don't sip my coffee. As you can see, so just save that as PNG. Save it as PNG because I don't want the white background. Go on save. Just save it as this. You're good to go. Okay. And now you can just take your designs to Redbubble, TeePublic, which are my two favorite sites. Upload them. Watch my video on how to use tags on Redbubble. And when you watch that, you should know how to use tags, how to title your videos properly. I'll be making more videos, more tips on Redbubble, so don't miss out. If you don't want to miss out, please subscribe now so that you don't miss out on those videos when they are out. And to your left, you see a Canva T Shirt Design playlist. Make sure you watch that, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. One love.